beautiful this place is. All right, hello everyone. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. I'm here in Kyoto. I forgot the station's name. The station is a really hard name to say, but I'm actually on my way to Aeon Mall because I'm actually on my way home. I'm actually on my way home, but I wanted to stop by this Aeon Mall because I knew someone that worked here and said that it was okay. It was pretty cool, so I'm gonna check it out. And it was only like one stop from where we were, and we were in downtown Kawaramachi, just wrapping up a video there that was probably out yesterday. So check out that video if you're interested as well. So we're gonna go. Oh, here it is. Rakusaiguchi. I'm probably sure I'm saying it wrong, but this is the station. And yeah, there's supposed to be an Aeon Mall over here, so we're gonna go check it out. All right, so we're on our way there, but we saw some stores over here underneath this train station. I think this train station looks fairly brand new, but it has all these little restaurants. It has some AstroTurf right here, so you can hang out. But there's a lot of these like restaurants along the way, so I wanted to go check it out before we go to the mall. But look at the view in the back. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, they got some military trucks over here as well. It's a nice little quiet neighborhood back here. What is this? Cafe and dining? I'm guessing in the future they want more people here, more traffic to come here. But this town looks more of like... Oh, it smells really good. It's curry?
Fried chicken?
Oh. I think this town is more of like a driving town where a lot of people have to like drive to get to places because it's kind of very suburban. Oh, but it smells delicious. I think that's it. Or does it go all the way down there?
Oh.
Alright, so I thought it's gonna be like you can go inside and walk through, but it seems like there's a bunch of restaurants along the way, and it's 1.6 kilometers to Katsura Station, which is pretty far from here. I think that's about like a mile. So we're not gonna go that way. We're just gonna go straight to the mall, but it's really interesting. Everything looks brand new. Oh, you can rent a bicycle. Where?
Here.
Oh, so you can rent a bicycle. So I think they really want to bring people in here to bring a lot of traffic here, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. But across the street they got a bunch of military trucks. I would say they have like 50 trucks. So they got this little thing for bicycles. But wow, it's here. I didn't know it's gonna be this big. Look how massive this Aeon Mall is. I think people generally like the Aeon Mall videos, just judging by the views. But I like going into them too, only if they're really nice. If they suck, then oh, I don't know what that is. Looks like throw up. Looks like poop. It's gonna go in the video. Let's check out this view here. Hold on. This is really out in the middle of nowhere. Look at this this mountain view back here. But oh my gosh, I generally like the Aeon Malls when they're really nice, but when they're not that nice, then it's not that interesting. So I think judging by the views, people like these Aeon Mall tours, so we're gonna go in. All right, it looks promising. This Aeon better blow my mind. I guess we'll start with the food. It's usually on the top floor. They got a lot of food here. It's crazy. It's crazier because it's in the middle of nowhere. And I think that's how they do it in these Aeon Malls, because hey, let's go this way. Because there's nothing out here. So instead of people going to where the city centers are, it's better to build one of these huge Aeon Malls where people can just come here instead of going anywhere else. That would drive people to live around here as well. So people will come out here to live, whether it's like apartment or buy houses around this area. Because there's literally nothing out here besides this mall. Oh, they got the skewer, deep fried skewer place. Oh, what is this? I kind of want to eat here, even though we just ate.
So you,
This is a buffet.
eating the small?
Yeah, I ate in the small. Look at this place. It's a skewer buffet. The deep fried one, right? They got they literally got all you can eat?
Yeah.
How much? 40 bucks? 30 bucks? 25 bucks for lunch? Yes, look at this area. Wow. This place is right in between Hankyu and JR, so it's not really out in the middle of nowhere, but it's not it's not like technically too much out of the way, but you're out in the suburbs.
Can you do this? 5,800.
60 bucks? Why is this so expensive? Is that right?
It's a made in Japanese meat.
Oh, is it Wagyu? It's not even Wagyu. Look at this carts. Just Pikachu carts. Alright. Look at this. They got some curry, ramen, Chinese food. It's not ramen, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think they leave their trolleys here and then go eat inside. Whoa, I wasn't expecting this. This is crazy. Some of these Aeon malls surprised me. Isn't it big? Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is crazy. Alright, so I'm kind of glad we came here. We were gonna skip this, but I like malls. I don't know why. I just love going into malls.
You like shopping.
Yeah, maybe we both like shopping. We like window shopping. We both like window shopping. We don't buy anything, but it's also really hot, so this is really nice for us. So I'm trying to go to all the malls, but a lot of these Aeon malls aren't as nice as these. All right, so this one's a little different. Instead of having it on the roof, they have it on, I believe, the second floor. So this is just like a little section in the middle of restaurants. Let me just go real quick with these. So this goes into like a semicircle of just food, which is kind of unique because I've never been to a mall that has a layout like this. Usually, oh, this place looks really good. Steak place.
It's all beef pan.
Yeah, it's expensive. Yeah, usually they are usually on the top floor, but this one's in the middle floor, right in the middle, and it's in like a shape of a big U. And they have a lot of delicious looking places. Look at some handmade noodles here. Another buffet. This is like the third buffet. I wouldn't mind living here. I think just coming to this, they're not even using gloves though. I feel like buffets are a very
Yeah, they don't use gloves.
for the virus. You gotta get the. We just went to a buffet in the other video, and they made us wear gloves, which is really nice because I think buffets are a big problem with the virus. I feel like I think I saw like a video where they're showing like an infrared light. There's another buffet. This is like the 6th buffet.
What was this? All fruit? Fruit buffet? Look at that.
It's another buffet? Wow.
Look like wow. Look like
Whoa. Look at all the fruit.
fruit buffet.
Is it a fruit buffet?
Look like it's
You'd get so full. So fast. 20 bucks. Oh, this guy's making a pizza. Oh. Yeah, so me and my girlfriend were just talking. Oh, see, they're wearing gloves at this one. See, I wouldn't mind coming to this one. But we're just talking about coming to this Aeon Mall next time. It is one stop away from Kawaramachi, so this is pretty cool. They got sushi, they got the belt, the conveyor belt sushi. It's packed. A lot of people in there. Wow, look at this line. They love the sushi here. And then it goes back around where we came from. All right, let's go back the other way. No, it's because that kid wasn't wearing gloves, but people are
I saw
using gloves
another guy
here.
didn't wear that too.
Oh, really?
I saw 2 people doing
So this is like a shabu shabu kind of deal. They probably forgot. Alright, so mostly these stores are kind of just your local brands. They got LL Bean though. But yeah, most of them are local brands. They have some foreign brands as well, like Levi's. I love the carpet. The carpet makes me feel, I don't know, very homey. I can't remember. My girlfriend has the hiccups. I can't remember the last time I've seen LL Bean actually. And then there's places where you can sit and relax. This is really nice because it was so hot today. I was feeling really sluggish just from the humidity and the heat today. Alright, so we just went to the Levi's outlet store, but I just wanted to see what the sales are because it says final sale. But I'm guessing the Levi's store and the outlet is a lot cheaper than here, even with the sale. Alright, there wasn't much of a sale. But yeah, we probably won't go to this Eon style because we've been through so many of them. Or the Eon grocery store. But there's a Godiva here. And then we're gonna just go downstairs. Actually, we're gonna go to the top floor. We're gonna go around and then we'll go to the first floor. Yeah, that's the brand. It's called Awesome Store. We're gonna go check it out in a bit. Here's the directory. This mall is so crazy. Maybe we'll get some green tea on the way. I don't know. I like green tea, but I can't sleep when I drink it. They even have a McDonald's. They even have this like red light beeping. Just to make sure you know where you are. This parking lot is huge as well. It's bigger than the mall. My girlfriend's gonna stop by this makeup store. And look at how big this place is. It's crazy. Are you gonna go stop by?
No, it's nothing I want.
Oh, okay, so we don't have to go this way?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just go to the end of here and see if there's anything there and then go back out of here. They got a Starbucks in the middle of nowhere. Random. It smells really nice too. I like the music they're playing, this elevator music.
You want to try this?
The Frappuccino?
Oh
Does
yeah, they have the cake inside, right?
Oh, is there a cake inside? Look at this nice Starbucks.
I don't remember why you didn't drink it before.
Too much caffeine maybe. Alright, here's the Awesome Store. I've never seen this franchise before, but let's see how awesome this Awesome Store is. It's really big. I don't know what they have in here. Looks like just they have everything. Cups, rugs, carpets. I love how they just play random music so it's not going to be copyrighted. Just a random saxophone. Which one?
Huh?
Which one?
Giraffe.
Oh.
Just buy one for you.
I do like giraffes. They're my favorite animal. And my girlfriend always remembers for some reason. Okay, so it's just a bunch of random stuff that you don't need. Well, they got like cups and stuff like that. Got like trays. They got a food court up there. It looks futuristic. Alright, we're in the middle of second floor. We're gonna keep going and then we're gonna go up to the third floor. Check out that food court. Look at this random cafe in the middle of nowhere. Oh, this is Nana's green tea. They got really good green tea. I want to drink one, but the green tea gets me all wired. It's cool, like it's just in the middle of nowhere. Alright, so they got a huge Joshin down there, and then they got this gigantic Muji. It is gigantic. You don't want to go in here, right? No. Yeah, we've been to many Mujis. We're gonna skip it. This is just gonna be a tour of the mall. We're getting tired. I've been filming all day, so I'm gonna finish this up and head home after this. So we're gonna skip it. We want to head over to the third floor. I just want to check it out. We might come back here again in the future, so I just want to see a rough view of what this place looks like. got this radio station here, and they got a movie theater up here. The Eon movie theater. They literally got everything here where you don't have to go anywhere. And then they got this this music place. They got guitars and saxophones and stuff. They got some saxophones here. They got some trumpets and violins. And they got guitars over there. There's Carl Kanai. Kani? This was an old brand in the 90s. I can't believe they still have this here. On the third floor. Alright, so I guess instead of having all the restaurants at the top, they got a food court. And this food court is humongous. This food court. It's so big. It's so big and deep. It's so big they have a touchscreen directory. Alright, oh my gosh, look at how big this place is. Oh, it's so massive. Look at this. Alright, let's just go around. Got some ramen here. This is crazy. This would be amazing if you live near here. You would never have to cook. You just come here after work or after lunch. I mean after school. Like some sushi. They literally have everything. They have everything from... Oh, okay, so there's no... It's just a bunch of tables here. And then there's more restaurants on the side. They got... Yeah, they do have everything from expensive to cheap. And everything in between. Wow. So that's my ex-coworker. She worked at that one, the Lemonade by Lemanica. But she doesn't work there anymore. Here's a Most Burger. And fried chicken. It looks like people are sitting more towards these restaurants. Wow, we've got some curry. Namaste. Soup curry namaste. That's what the name is. Wow, they got real Indian people in the middle of nowhere here. It looks authentic. I think this is like udon. And I'm guessing all these places are really good. Here's a pizza restaurant. Wow. I just can't imagine. I'm just so surprised how big this place is. Oh, they got Korean food. But do they got Korean people?
You just asked.
Are you Korean? They got fried chicken. They got all the Korean trendy foods.
한국 사람이에요.
Wow. This is crazy. Wow. Oh, they even have bubble tea. And crepe. Okay, so it's like a big circle. They have like Texas King steak. I really like this. I really like this place.